Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you what is Fragment in Android Studio. What is Fragment? Fragment is a reusable activity that you can use it over and over again. In this example, you're gonna understand about Fragment more. Look, when we click at the first button, the first fragment will be appear, and when we click the second button, the second fragment will be appeared. Let's make it. At the first, I used constraint layout. And now I'm gonna put it button, two button, or maybe more. Now let's specify the button. Let's put an ID for this. For example, first button. Also, I changed the text of this into first. Let's change the idea of the second button. Let's change it into second button and also change the text of the second button into second. Yes, our button is created, and now I'm gonna make a layout for our fragment. The frame layout is a container for fragment. If you wanna use fragment, you have to use frame layout for this. Let's specify the frame layout. And now let's go to create fragment. You can create a fragment by going to the app folder, Java folder, com.xml.fragment, and create new fragment, blank fragment, and put a name for this. For example, first fragment. This is our first fragment. Finish. Our fragment is created, and I'm gonna make another fragment because we have two buttons. Another fragment, black fragment, and also I put name second fragment. Finish. These are comments and we don't need it, and also we don't need this part. If you put here like this, it's also correct, but I wanna change it. And I'm gonna go to the second fragment and change the text of the second fragment into hello from second fragment. Let's go to the first fragment. And also I'm gonna delete this because we don't need this. And change here. If you put here like this, it's also correct. Go to the first fragment layout. Go from first fragment. Also change the gravity of this into center. Our fragment is created. Now let's go to the main activity, and our fragment is created. Let's go to the main activity, and here first we specify or we create a variable because we use button. We use button variable. At the first button is first and second variable, and if you use image instead of button and you change it into on click, you have to specify this into image view. Now go to the here and specify our and after this we make the method of first and second button. First dot on click listener, new view, yes, and after this we make the second on click, yes, and here we make a method name. I use replace fragment into new first fragment. After that we make the method of this create method main activity. Yes, our method is created, and let's delete this. And now make it fragment manager equal to get support fragment manager fragment transaction fragment manager dot again transaction fragment transaction dot replace r dot id dot, and here we have to specify our frame layout ID. What was the frame layout ID? We don't specify any ID for our frame layout, and now I am specifying the frame layout ID. Frame layout. Now go to the main activity, frame layout, and after that you have to copy this and paste it here. At the end, fragment transaction dot commit. Now our project is ready. Let's see it. Let's click the first button. Hello from first fragment. Let's click the second button. Hello from second button. And also let's click first button, second button, first button, second button. Look, our screen size is not adjusted. Why? Let's adjust here now. Let's adjust it. We go to the main activity. Here I use adjust screen size. Let's delete this until left equal to insets path get system copy this up and top right button into button. And now let's the padding of this. Set the padding of this. B dot set padding left top right button. Now we use return and sets dot constant vendor insets. Now our screen size is adjusted. These codes used for adjusting screen size. Let's see it. Look, our screen is adjusted, and now when I click the first button, the first fragment will be shown, and when I click the second button, the second fragment will be shown. Thanks for your attention, guys. If you have any question, please comment for our video. Thank you very much.